Iran attacking the UAE has made a geopolitical crisis, and investors, we need to understand what is the game plan. During uncertain markets, professional investors, they do something very simple. They raise their standards. They do not lower them. Step one, we have to structure the portfolio. Divide your portfolio into 3 buckets. Now we have the defensive core, 50 to 70% of your portfolio, ready or near handover, strong end user demand, infrastructure and community maturity, low vacancy risk. Now we have the growth core, 20 to 40%. We have prime views, emerging infrastructure hubs, and strong developers with strong resale demand. And then we have opportunistic, up to 20%, motivated sellers, distressed opportunities, mispriced premium units, but only if you have liquidity and patience. Step 2, adjust timing, not standards. In uncertain markets, you don't lower quality to find a deal. You increase quality and negotiate better entry prices. Step 3, every deal should win on at least 5 of these factors: scarcity, view premiums, developer reputation, community maturity, exit liquidity, payment plan advantage, infrastructure, and price per square foot. What are the signals that serious investors watch for? Investors, they don't guess, they monitor signals. There's transaction volume. If deals are still happening, liquidity exists. If listings sit longer online, negotiation power, it increases. And then we might start to see developer incentives, payment plan improvements, potential discounts, and DLD waivers. These signal opportunity. Now, what are the real world signals that we need to look for? Airspace, tourism, and business activity. If the city continues functioning, long-term confidence, it remains intact. Other people are asking, will Dubai crash? A crash requires forced selling and no buyers. What we're seeing instead is selectivity. Prime assets, they continue moving. The core strategy is patience, precision, and phased entry. Patience means ignoring headlines. Precision means buying scarcity and quality. Phased entry means splitting purchases into multiple acquisitions over time. This gives investors confidence. You're not rushing in, but you're not frozen either. Now, our approach is very simple. We track signals, we build a watch list, negotiate aggressively, and enter the market in phases when the right assets appear. If you need any more information on how to build your investment strategy or your crisis investment strategy, send me a message and let's have a conversation.